Alright, here's what we're starting with. Our pantry has gotten out of control. I know this isn't like a proper pantry, but it's kind of one of the only spaces we have. We do have another closet that we keep our microwave in, and that was a coat closet that we kind of converted to a pantry. But this is where we keep like all of our snacks, cans. This bottom shelf is like Ellie's baby stuff, and it's just, she loves to play in here every day, so I always just let her like pull things out and whatever. But anyway, it's a mess. So also probably stuff like hiding in the back that isn't even good anymore, so I really need to just go through all of this. So I got these organizers from Target. They're actually from the dollar store. They're 5 cents each. Ellie's having fun with her toys. I do have her toys over here on the runner, and she's playing while I organize this. But I just started emptying some of the snack, some like the grab and go snacks, and putting them in these baskets, and I'm going to see how these fit in our cubbies, and potentially going to get some other organizers. I'll kind of see what works best. These, it probably doesn't look super deep on the camera, but these are really deep shelves. They're like almost 2 feet deep, so things can really get lost. So I'm trying to avoid that, and I also want to keep things on the bottom that are okay for Ellie to grab. As you can see, she's like going for stuff, but I have to be careful because like there's like glass pasta sauce, so like obviously I wouldn't want her to pull that off. So anyway, I will go ahead and start or continue organizing over here in our laundry, quote-unquote laundry room. It's so tight in here, but I will bring you guys along to the process. Hope you guys enjoy. So let's just get started and keep organizing, and I'm excited to show you guys the end result.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
Alright, so far I've emptied the top 2 cubbies, and I have to stop there and start, I'm going to clean out them because they're a little bit like dusty and have crumbs and stuff, but I'm running out of space to put everything, so as a result everything is on the counter over here. So I need to consolidate everything, go through. I know some of this stuff is old, probably like out of date, so I just need to throw out what needs to be thrown out, and I'll start organizing what I can into these little containers. So let me start doing that.
Give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love.
I'm starting to throw out things that have expired. The trash can is like 3/4 of the way full, and it was empty when I started. There's so many things that were hidden back there that are out of date now, so I'm happy that we're going through this, finding things that I didn't know that we had. I feel like we buy a lot of repeat soup and beans, like for when we do obviously just have soup, or when we do a crock pot thing. I tend to always think I don't have what I need, but seems like I oftentimes did have what I need. So going through this, tossing out what's old or just what I don't think we're gonna have. So we'll continue that. And Ellie's just walking around with the cans, and she sees me throwing out old food in here, and she's taking things from around the house and trying to throw them in the trash can. So anyway, here we go.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
So it's a few days later, and I just wanted to show you guys the final look on our pantry. Everything's all nice and organized now. Not necessarily Pinterest worthy, but definitely a lot more functional and a bit more organized. This is the one that I've been putting off forever. It's just Ellie's little basket of all of her eating utensils, but got that organized with stuff that we actually use right now. These little baskets have been working out great. We've been using them for almost a week now, and it's a good way for me to just see what we have. That way I'm not overbuying and buying too many snacks, and it's just easy to quickly grab. Like it. We have like one dead banana in there I need to get get some more. This has been working out great for cereal. For Steven eats Cheerios, but mostly Ellie eats Cheerios, and it's like one of those nice little flip tops. I'll link it down below. It's that OXO brand, and I really like how it's just easy to flip like that, pour in a bowl, or just pour on her high chair when she's eating breakfast, or into a little snack cup. But yeah, here's the final look. Anyway, I hope this gave you guys some motivation to maybe clean up an area of your home that you've been putting off. I know I've been putting this off for a long time, and this is just an area that we obviously use every day, multiple times a day. So it's made our life a lot easier since it's been organized. You can really see what we have now for the most part. Still, based on how it's set up, you still need to search a little bit, but it's definitely easier. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like stay-at-home mom content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.